Everyone, my name is Miss Mimi, and today I'm going to be reading to you Kevin Henkey's Old Bear. This book was also illustrated by Kevin Henkey's. Old Bear by Kevin Henkey's. For Virginia. By the time Old Bear fell asleep for the winter, it was snowing hard. He dreamed that spring had come, and he was a cub again. The flowers were as big as trees. He took a nap in a giant pink crocus. Then he dreamed that it was summer. The sun was a daisy and the leaves were butterflies. Part of the sky was clouded over, and it remained blueberries. Next he dreamed of autumn. Everything was yellow and orange and brown, even the birds and the fish in the water. After that he dreamed that winter was back. The world was covered in ice. It was night and the sky was blazing all with stars of all colors. The cold went on forever. The old bear slept and dreamed and slept. When he finally woke up, it seemed to him that no time had passed since he'd fallen asleep. He yawned, he stretched. He poked his head out of his den to see if it was still snowing. He blinked and blinked again. And when Old Bear walked out into the beautiful spring day, it took him a minute to realize that he wasn't dreaming. The end.